Hi, creative people. Good evening. I hope you all are good. Well, I'm here with another video. On today's video, I'm going to talk about the A/B testing in UX UI design. Okay, so maybe as a beginner in UX UI design field, that maybe you are confused. What is actually A/B testing? Okay, so I wanted to explain, or I wanted to make it a very simple so that everyone can understand. Okay, if you are an expert, then obviously you know in a better way, but if you are a complete beginner, then obviously from now onwards you will know what it is. Okay, in a simple way, let me make it very simple. Okay, so in a simple way, this is just like option A or option B, testing with the multiple like screens. For example, let's take an example of one home screen, okay, that you are designing for any mobile application. Okay, so let's take an example of location choose. Okay, of finding a location. So one screen maybe you can create where there are a huge box with the name and the picture of particular location. Okay, likewise, for example, let's take an example of here in UAE, that we have a 7 different states. So you listed with the picture like Dubai, okay, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah, Aswan. Likewise, you mentioned with a huge rectangle box, maybe more than let's say 200 by 200 pixels of box. And at the same time, for the same screen that you created with only name, okay, so where you mention only name like Dubai, Sharjah, Abu Dhabi, Asman. Likewise, you listed on a name and on a small line wise, then you can text which one is better. Okay, and you can text with your colleague or your some other stakeholder, or you can sit on a meeting and you can test it out. So which screen looks better and which is the easy way to like execute. Okay, so likewise you can test with a multiple screen, okay, and multiple other format also. For example, let's say that you are creating a website where there is a landing page, and on a landing page obviously we have a basically two different kind of font, sans serif and the serif. So on one page, on one hero section, that you can add sans serif font and another one is a serif font. So then you can compare which looks better and which is very readable. Okay, and after that you can compare with the color, what kind of color, maybe some one screen that has a yellow color and another has a black color or any other color. Okay, it's depending on you can compare what kind of color might looks, okay, what kind of font size looks good, okay, and what kind of screen looks. It's just that you need to create a multiple version of your same screen, okay, multiple version of same screen and test it which looks better. It's just that very simple, very easy. So in a simple way, A/B testing means A and B. Obviously there are a few metrics that you need to understand, but for the beginner, just remember that A/B testing is a kind of a split testing, that you will create a two different option or more than two, but at least you need to create a two and then test it which one looks better. So say as a UX UI designer, okay, it like doesn't only roam around with only UX design. You can test A/B testing on your social media post also. You can design the same post with the two different style and compare it, which is really looks good, aesthetically pleasing, and which is more readable and which is more like telling the story. Okay, and which is more easy to see, and which is more like easy for eyes to see. There are some website we can like spend so many hours to watch the scrolling or watch the website, and there are some website where we cannot spend a little amount like 1 2 3 minutes because of color. Okay, so this is the very simple short definition or explanation of the A/B testing. Okay, there are a few other metrics, but I will going to talk on a later videos. But I don't wanted to make it a little bit complex. As a beginner, I just wanted to give you a very simple and easy way what actually it. So you can, whenever you are creating a UX portfolio, then you can at least you can mention. So what is A/B testing? A/B testing means this. Okay, testing on a two different screen, and for the two different screen that I tested for one, and you can keep it a few screen only. Okay, while creating a UX case study profile, then you don't have to like present everything whatever you did. Okay, you just can present only two different or three screen on side by side, so that you can show. So this is the first screen, this is the second, and among them we choose this one. Why you choose? Okay, these are the reason that we chose. Okay, we chose. Likewise, you can give the really good reason. Okay, so that's all for this video, and I hope you get the idea of what is A/B testing. And I will see you on the next video. Till then, be creative, be logical, be humble, be kind, and love and respects to each and every human being, and protect the Mother Earth. Bye bye, take care.